Hi, and welcome to the Nuntium AI demo video. Today, Rafe and I will be walking you through how Nuntium AI automates the research and analysis processes of your enterprise, starting from the data sources that you use to the final outputs that your team will receive. To start Nuntium, we just need a few keywords of relevance. Nuntium is designed to require minimal initial context, leveraging its initiative to expand the search parameters, just like you'd expect a great human analyst to do.
In today's demo, we will be talking about Amazon's AI investments. In just a few clicks, I'll be able to initialize Nuntium's research process and begin the construction of our contextual knowledge base. I'll go to Add New Entity. I'll add the name as Amazon. I'll select the type as organization. I'll describe it as a tech company, and I'll put the domain of interest as AI investments. And just like that, the process has started. The first step in the Nuntium process is pulling all the relevant information from GDUT, the largest repository of publicly available news. Unlike a Google search or a ChatGPT lookup, which stops after the first few results, Nuntium pulls every publicly available source of relevance pertaining to Amazon. We can also combine this public information with any private data repositories your enterprise may use. In this case, we can see that the demo is processing over 200 articles of relevance. This obviously is a larger set of semantic data than any human being could ever or would ever process. The second step then is organizing this information into group events. While the mathematical process underlying this grouping involves high-dimensional embeddings, dimensionality reduction, and hierarchical clustering, more practically, it means that we take those 204 articles and we distill them down into the 15 common events, because we recognize, using our mathematics and vector embeddings, that within those 204 articles, there are only 15 events of relevance to us. Here, you can see that once we have done the process, it tells us that the number of events identified is 15. Now, the final step is to take this mathematical representation and then convert them into a human-friendly format, one that is based in text and that is digestible for our end users, as well as the large language model for further analysis or refinement. We can do this by summarizing the common messages of each event, being sure to include any strong facts, figures, or illustrative examples, even if they come from a single article. While this example is running, in the interest of time, we will show another more comprehensive example, because much like other big data applications, we believe that Nuntium benefits from economies of scale. And to demonstrate this, I can hand it over to Adi.
Yeah, so our much larger research project is about NVIDIA's dependence on China. This ran over a data set that spanned 100 days. It analyzed over 33,000 different news articles. It identified over 600 central themes. The reason we didn't do this live for you is because the analysis took us 25 minutes to complete with our current hardware and software limitations, although we do plan to parallelize a lot of these processes and bring down that time. What's critical is that this required no human input or no fine-tuning beyond the original data entry Rafe demonstrated for the Amazon example. Here, Nuntium demonstrates its real value. What it's done is it's constructed an entity-wide knowledge base that spans the entirety of NVIDIA and its relationship with China. It's dived into all of the available data and done a number of hallucination checks to ensure that we're not providing you linguistically similar things to facts, but actually things that are confirmed as facts. And it presents information in a way that lives at the intersection of relevancy and specificity. We want to give you facts as quickly and efficiently as possible. When you scroll down to the key events, you can see the links that underlie them. They serve three purposes. One, they allow your team to manually conduct further and optimize research processes. Two, they serve as hallucination checks. Nuntium strives to live up to the journalistic standards of double confirmation, ensuring that information is, as much as we can guarantee, accurate. But the third and most impressive part of the Nuntium backend is its ability to use its wide datasets to construct efficient future research. So for example, if we were to change the domain of interest from reliance on China to the NVIDIA CEO, Jensen Huang, we would be able to reconstruct the executive summary, the key events, the relevant and specific information at just a few clicks. Notably, the initial analysis for NVIDIA took us over 25 minutes to complete. This, we expect, will take us under a minute. As you can see, we've generated another executive summary. We've generated similar key events. We've generated similar subsidiary links. Again, all of this required no human inputs beyond the original data entry that was demonstrated. We are able to conduct almost the entire research and analysis process using semantic automation. We want to show you how NVIDIA can help you and your organization, and we're offering live demos on a subject of your choice. You can find us at www.nuntiumai.com or reach out to us at nuntiumai@gmail.com to schedule those demos. Nuntium's capabilities are ever evolving, so expect some future demo videos that either dive deeper into the underlying data logic or into new feature sets, like a replacement for Google Alerts. We look forward to hearing from you and look forward to keep you updated on how Nuntium improves.